Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add squish animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation or open your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I add squish animation in those text box. At first I have to select this text box. Then you can see here are animation option. Click this animation option. Then click this drop down menu. Now you can see here are many animation. Now I find my squish animation. Now I add my squish animation. Now click this play or preview button to check how it work. Just press it. Now wait some moment. Now you can see I add squish animation in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.